Welcome to Core 77 Design Awards, Speculative and Conceptual Objects. This was an amazing journey and I think you will enjoy the project we selected. Today we assembled a jury team. Today with us, we don't have the whole team because our team is around the world. Who is not with us today is James Auger. He's in England. He's professor at the Department of Design Interactions, Royal College of Art, and partner Auger Lazo Consultancy. Today with us, currently traveling, is Banerjee, associate professor at D-School, Hasso-Plattner Institute of Design at Stanford. And Nebojsa Rogic, the digital artist from Serbia. But now we do have with us today Dominika, Applova, and Steven Takayama.
I'm Steve Takayama. I'm a co-owner of Non-Object, and I am super excited to be announcing some of the winners today.
Yay!
Yeah!
Great!
I'm Dominika. I'm the designer. My favorite color is yellow. I'm a UX lead, user experience lead at Cisco, and a partner at Blue Green Pacific. And we are honored to be announcing the winners today.
We are going to start this announcement from student category first. We'll start with notables. So, the first project we're going to announce is the project Draw by Arttu Matti Imonen from Kyoto. The Draw project is a study on the subject of cross-generational communication, natural communication tools between the young and the elderly. Let's now see a little bit more in depth why we reacted to this project in this positive way.
I think what I reacted to was sort of the heartwarming nature of this project. It brings elderly and their grandchildren together in a way that both of the people could interact in their own way. And so I think it's a clever way to enhance interaction between people who are far apart.
And what I really like about it, I mean, given the fact that I actually have a 5-year-old daughter, is that I understand when she talks to her family around the world that she's not really interested in the video interaction. She's really more into like a shared activity, and this reflects it really well. So, well
Great.
done. Congratulations.
Congratulations. A notable student category, Red Blue CNC by Nick Santillan, Surrey, British Columbia. School, Emily Carr University of Art and Design. A modular CNC system that can be easily rearranged to suit specific tasks. It's perfect for DIY and developers that can experiment with CNC technology while bypassing the complex learning curve needed to build complex CNC parts. This is the image.
So what I really appreciated about it, that it seems to me like really unpretentious execution. I mean, I guess unpretentious problem, and really clean execution. That's what I like.
I liked how it simplified technology that could potentially be difficult to understand and figure out how it works. You've separated the X, Y, and Z axis to 3 different colors. So I really enjoyed the simplicity and the playfulness of this project.
And I really like the conceptual level on how 3 axes were colored, used for 3 basic colors.
Right.
That was a very nice note that actually drove the project for me. And what we wanted to say is congratulations for this project.
Announcing the student category runner-up, Transcends by Michael Harborn in Paris. School is straight college in a world of which we are constantly bombarded with injunctions to react or to distract ourselves. Transcends transforms the reality around us and enables us to live and share immersive, thoughtful
I
experiences.
think the really interesting aspect of this project to me was that this was more internal than external, because our world is packed with external excitements, right? There is so much information, so many colors, so many things that are going on. And that was a very, very interesting angle from where this project was approached.
So building on that, we really enjoyed the execution of it all, and we really appreciated the humor of the authors, and in our opinion, the execution goes way beyond what's sort of standard for a student work. So, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Well done. And the winner is CD Dazzle, Open Source Camouflage by Adam Harvey from Brooklyn, New York. School is Tisch School of Art, New York University, and he is a master's candidate interactive telecommunication program.
Yeah! Woohoo!
CD Dazzle is camouflage from face detection. It is a response to the growing proverbs of computer vision technology and the resulting phenomena of shrinking privacy. I love the word shrinking.
This is awesome. Okay. One of the most critical roles of design is to question, to push the boundary, to change the way we see things. I think in this project, very unique thing is that you would at first glance see this project as a fashion project, but actually it is not. It is almost this creating a product out of your own self in order to protect yourself from the product.
I think it also has cultural significance and a lot of relevance in what is happening today. Privacy is a major topic. You know, we have Facebook doing crazy things out there, making everybody upset. And so this is part of a response, I think, to that issue. And frankly, I could see this becoming a real response that people may do in the future.
Yeah, and just building on that, when we saw the piece, it sort of opened up this very controversial conversation, and it sort of alerted every member of the jury to some of the issues that are around us, and it was very actually inspiring to us. So, well done.
And well done. Congratulations for the winner.
Notable for the pro category, Coach Check Chair by Joey Zeldon for the design firm Continuum in West Newton, Massachusetts. Client is self-initiated. The Coat Check Chair combines the plastic hangers and the steel closet rod from a standard closet in a way that creates a new purpose. Coat Check Chair brings these ordinary objects out into the open and features them in a way that is unexpected and useful.
Well, this is really well done repurposing project where we can really see a clear vision, clear idea, very simple. Specificity is very difficult to obtain. I think this is one of the most highest clarity repurposed projects that we have seen in recent months.
Yeah. And besides sort of the whole ready-made nature of it, I really like the detail, which is like the hooks sort of replicate the spine, right? And you can sort of imagine if you sit on it that there is sort of going to be like some sort of a spring effect. So
yeah.
There is a lot of detail on that.
Very, very interesting how one object it creates another object by its own collection following the geometry. So I think we really liked it. Hey, congratulations!
Great.
Notable professional category. The project Museum of Possibilities by Mona Andraus, Melissa Moniat, and Kelsey Snook of design firm Living With Our Time from Portland, Oregon. Client Quarter de Spectacles, Montreal, Canada. The Museum of Possibilities was created for the public to take ownership of a new space in Montreal's Quarter de Spectacles. People were asked to share what they would like to see, do, or what they would like to meet in this space, and together explore all the possibilities.
So what we really appreciated about the project is that it's highly conceptual, so it has sculptural qualities to it, but it's one of the things that we all imagined sort of immersing ourselves into. Like we imagine like lying on the grass and looking up and seeing those balloons and reading all those wishes.
How design is a powerful tool to help transformation, to help communication. In this case, we were really, really pleased by the outcome of using such a simple element, balloon and a stick, to be able to create this wonderful area that just feels dreamy and very simple. And it was used as a tool to communicate between, I guess, government and people in the city.
Yeah, and I think that it's also like a very democratic kind of a execution because anybody can relate to it and enjoy it. There's no sort of like a high-level intellectual concept that is sort of, creating a barrier between just citizens of the world.
Yes, And you know, it almost opens up, helps people to post their ideas. They would, you know, come down on the grass, look at the sky, you know, and basically dream on what this space should be. And actually what this does, it helps people go to that kind of dreamy blue sky mode, you know, be relaxed and calm. Congratulations.
Runner-up number 2 for professional category, High Tech Vanita by Frédéric Lecour and Antoine Fenoglio of design firm Les Sismo Designers in Paris. Client is self-initiated. High Tech Vanita is a process to get one's own skull when alive. It offers the 3D printing tool manufactured of one's skull, a digital extraction and tailor-made manufacturing of the skull exactly as it is, full size, same color, same weight.
You know, a little bit of reflection on this project. This is actually a very exciting project that changes the relationship between, you know, us and who we are, you know, by seeing an object that actually relates to us. It's actually our own skull. You know, previously you didn't have chance to have that. You know, medical industry will not allow this to happen. So that's where design comes in and experiments with this new relationship that could be built. It really questions something.
It's a completely new experience, I think. I mean, you cannot experience this previously, and now all of a sudden, you can hold your own skull, you know? You could even make it say things as you talk. I mean, that would be kind of
Please
weird.
send us one if we can.
Yeah, and I certainly wonder what Hamlet would have to say, or Shakespeare, as a matter of fact, would have to say about that, because it's definitely that kind of an experience. But anyway, as Steve already mentioned, we just would love to actually experience it, you know, to have our own skull during the judging. So, but anyway, so let us know where we can order them. Okay.
Yeah, very, very good job, you know, really pushing the limits of what design can do.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Oh! Okay.
R to the U, to the N, to the N, to the E, to the R.
We have the runner-up for the professional category.
No, wait, stop. I was actually joking.
Runner-up number 1 for the professional category, Modwell's Personal Modules for Wellness by Jennifer Darmer with Johanna Shoemaker and Verena Langmeyer of design firm Artifact from Seattle, self-initiated. Modwells is a personal healthcare system that helps us improve our physical and emotional health for a better quality of life. MUDs in a set of wearable sensors and that collect and assess health data, providing feedback and alerts to help manage and share health goals and connect with healthcare professionals.
This project was interesting to me because it really addresses some of the issues that is relevant today. You know, we have Obamacare, we have healthcare, we have all of these things happening right now, and the technology is really here to make it better. And one of the things that I enjoyed about this project was how wearable technology can really enhance one's health.
But then the thing that we really liked about the project from experiential perspective was the way the project was treated, the product, and how it works in coexistence with humans. And it wasn't really medicinal. It was, you know, evolution of the medicinal or medical product to a whole other level, which actually feels a lot more like something I can have with me, or, you know, for a longer time. And it helps me be healthier. I think that's the part that we really enjoyed about the project.
I also enjoyed how you made healthcare and medicine fit into one's lifestyle much more seamlessly. You know, previously we're used to seeing medical objects, medical tools that are kind of not so friendly to the user, but this really brought that sort of more friendly, more relevant to life kind of design to health.
And nice potential for almost a fashionable item, you know, almost something you can imagine as part of your lifestyle. So that's what we really liked, and, you know, congratulations on this great result.
Well done.
And the winner of Core 77 Design Awards professional category is Knar Cargo Airship by Rune Kurt and Matt Thompson. This project was self-initiated as a graduation from Arthur School of Architecture. Knar is a wind turbine flight system by modern airship technology powered with the solar energy, an alternative to existing heavy cargo freight systems focusing on wind turbine. I think this project showed an incredible level of detail, incredible intensity of design thinking, and going to far beyond what is usually expected of these kinds of projects. And we were simply really pleased by the the level of resolution this project brought, the logic, the purpose, and possibility, again still keeping this within conceptual territory.
I think the breadth and the depth was amazing from one designer. The video was very impressive as well. It really went into much more detail than I would have expected, and that by itself was probably made it enough to get our attention.
And again, it is dirigible, so it's not a new object, but the way the dirigible concept was taken from where it was in the past and where it could be in the future, it's so relevant in the changes of energy management and how we're going to be in the how we're going to deal with energy in the future.
Yeah, I'll be just repeating what's been said already, but we loved absolutely everything about the execution. We went through the presentation, through the video. We loved the sketches. We loved the graphics. We loved the enthusiasm that was shown there. And personally, I really appreciate the fact that if this were to become real, which I certainly hope so, then it is going to enhance sort of our everyday experience. I'm just imagining something sort of passing like a cloud above our heads now, and just magnificent. So
and it being quiet like a cloud.
Yes,
that's the part that we really like. So
Absolutely.
All together, all around, I think really extremely well done project, and congratulations to KNAR team. During this process of judging, a lot of energy was required from our end to really understand properly every project, dedicate enough attention to each of the projects and each of the details. And I think it was very exciting to be able to do all this. Really kind of not so easy to choose the projects that are going to go into finals.
It was great to see so many entrants, so many different kinds of work, so many variety. I really enjoyed, and I was also inspired by some of the work that I saw.
So we would like to thank Core 77 for pretty much facilitating a really nice afternoon where we could get sort of together with the fellow designers in the Valley and the ones abroad, of course, and just talk about design and be inspired by all the entrants. Yeah, it was great. Thank you.
And one of the things that I'm personally excited about to see design evolve to the next level, that's beyond just pragmatic conceptualization, but really understanding what is that space between us and things that surround us, and what's the intangible space, and how can we design things that are much more exciting, more relevant, with more purpose going forward. So that's what it is. The road was not so bumpy. I think we didn't really fight over any specific project, and
yes, we did.
We did?
Yeah, we had a good fight.
All right, so we would like to thank all the participants, all the submitted entries, and we hope to see you again next year and the years after. And we like to thank Core 77 for organizing this whole event.
And please, work hard, continue exploring, and don't be afraid. Just go even beyond what you did this year, and let's see what's coming next time. And I would like to thank the jury. Thanks to your effort and effort of James, Banny, and Nebojsa Rogic, we were able to put our brains together and basically do this thing. And I think hopefully it's good.
I would also thank Branko for managing this crazy group. I think he did a great job at keeping people under control. Some of us had more opinions than others, and Branko, you were probably one of them, but it was amazing experience, Branko, and you really held everybody together. And thank you, Branko.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.